Don't forget to bring a towel. The sling is, I got it wrapped around the stock, and I have the stock pushed in the shorter, I have it telescoped down to where the weapon profile is shorter, and I have it to where you could engage from here if you really wanted to. Well, the reason you wrap the stock around it, and it doesn't have to look beautiful, it doesn't have to look pretty, some people are better at this than others, but you don't want this thing snagging on anything as you're exiting the vehicle. So if you exit the vehicle, you want to literally do this. And what you can see is that I can brace against the vehicle like this. You know what I mean? If anybody comes around the corner, we would have the surprise on them. And I want you to pay attention back to where I'm at real quick. You see that the engine block and the tires are where I'm currently standing. So if I'm in a real gunfight, I can go down here and I can get the ballistic protection of the engine block or the wheels, which are all right here perpendicular to where the enemies, like the linear danger area is where people take the path of least resistance, okay? So because you have the road right there, that's a linear danger area, 100%. That's the path of least resistance. That's where somebody's most likely they're gonna come down. And we know that they're likely to come down from there based on the intel we have, okay? So we move back here if we need to, and I can access what I need out of this trunk. And what do we have in the trunk? We have all types of gear back here, and we have all the seats and the engine block and everything is ballistic protection, okay? And then if we need to come back, get back in the car, it's the same exact kind of principle. Boom, we're ready to get out of here. And we will get out of here now. This vehicle looks like a civilian vehicle because it is a civilian vehicle, 100%. It is very camouflaged. Nobody would ever suspect that somebody in full tactical gear was sitting in this vehicle. The windows are tinted to the legal threshold that they can be tinted. The windows are also up all the way. Things we could do to make me look slightly less tactical. I could throw a beach towel over all this. There's absolute things that you could do to make yourself look less tactical. Not gonna do them now. This is the kind of stuff Bone Tactical would talk about. Greg Tambone would have a field day with that. But you could throw a beach towel over all this, you know, especially things you're not actively using, like your knife, your radio, things like that. You could very quickly throw it off. You could take this hat off. There's definitely ways you could gray man this up. One of the few places where I actually really like gray man theory is vehicles. I believe civilian vehicles, people underestimate them. Because when you see a white minivan, there could be 8 dudes in it, loaded up, you know? So, I mean, like when you see one of those vans with the sliding doors on the side, you could have 8 dudes in there, loaded up. It'd be pretty hot and sweaty and uncomfortable, but there could be a lot of people stuffed into there. A lot of very wealthy people use beat up old Mercedes Sprinter vans, and it looks like crap on the outside, like there's mud all over it, and it looks like crap. But on the inside, it's posh and luxurious. Gray man theory kind of makes sense for vehicles. However, I do think painting vehicles camouflage has its place, depending on what the vehicle is and what you're using it for. I still like to act like I'm doing something bad, even though I'm not, because that's part of the training. You don't want every single person out here knowing what you're doing. They don't need to know. Like I learned in prison, see everything, say nothing. You don't need everybody up in your business. The best way to support these videos is to support yourself. I sell amazing camouflage products, rash guards, stuff like that. Things you won't want to miss. You definitely want to check out the things that I sell. If you don't want to buy one, that's fine. Just check it out. You might see something you like. You might see something a friend likes. You'll be supporting this channel. You'll be supporting a smaller channel. Helping this smaller channel become a bigger channel is important. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jared.